Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a native ads in gdevelop game. I'm going to add a native advanced core in my gdevelop game. So watch this full video. This is the first time you are watching my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so now let's start the video. Go to events. At the beginning of scene, click on add action and type here Admob and select configure the banner. Now open your Admob account and I'm going to create native ads. Click on add units, add unit. I'm going to create native advanced. Click on select button and type here unit name, native earning. Click on create add unit and copy this add unit ID. Now click on done. Go to your gdevelop game and paste here native unit ID and click on OK and click here add action and type here Admob and click on show banner. Click on OK. Friends, Admob ads will show only in Android phone. It will not show in gdevelop preview. If I will click on preview button, then here Admob ads will not show. If I will play this game in Android phone, then Admob ads will be show. Friends, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.